Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Jenkins on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.2 on top of VMware. So actually, what is Jenkins? So Jenkins is an open source continuous integration tool written in Java. So it depends upon the Java platform, and it provides custom integration services for software development. It is a server-based system used by many development teams. So we have an AWS also the service name called Code Pipeline. So whenever you're using Code Pipeline, such pipeline, each pipeline run executes independently and in parallel with each other. Since Code Pipeline is a managed services in AWS, so you can run many pipelines in parallel without having to deal with any additional infrastructure. So in Jenkins, it is having limited number of executors in type of Jenkins you have. So in AWS we have an alternative called Code Pipeline. So here I'm installing Jenkins on my own platform called VMware. I have installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux with the boot up image. So let's try to install Jenkins on my Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So go to jenkins.io. So go to downloads. So you can find here in the downloading Jenkins subtitle, you can see here download Jenkins 2.3.75 LTS for, and it is for 2.3.80. So don't confuse between these two. So it is for long-term support, and this is your versions you are used for MNC product-based companies or service-based companies for long-term support. LTS is for nothing but. So I will go for CentOS Fedora Red Hat. Why? Because I have installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux in my VMware. So let me connect to this machine. So I'm using a putty to connect my VMware of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So copy this. Let me change the settings. So it is taking some time to log in. Okay, it has been booted up. Okay, so I need to switch root. So execute permissions and all. So the first step is you need to copy the package Jenkins package repo to your system. You need to install with the Jenkins package. So whenever you go to cd/etc m.repos. Okay, I need to give space here. So if you see here, I have already added the repo in my local computer in the Red Hat Linux. So with this command, wget command, so it will add your repo into this directory. So this is my jenkins.repo. And the second thing, you need to install rpm-jenkins io.key. So you need to export your key, and this has been done from my end. And you need to install font config java 11 openjdk. Why? Because it depends upon the Java platform. So you need to confirm whether Java is installed or not. Sorry. So if you see here, Java 11.06 and environment JDK 64-bit has been installed. So there is nothing to worry about that. So you need to install install Jenkins. So it will ask to install Jenkins 2.3.80. So you need to hit enter. It will take some time to install Jenkins 2.3.80. It is a 90 MB package. So it is going to install. So if you see here, my Jenkins package has been installed successfully and it is verifying stage. So it is saying that installed. So let me start the service. Systemctl status Jenkins. So it is currently it is in dead state. It is in inactive state. If you see here, it is in inactive dead state. So let me start the service. Let me check whether it is status. So if you see here, in active state, it is activating start. So it is initializing to start the service. So let's wait for some time to check the status of the Jenkins. So it is going to activate. So it is still in activating stage. Let me enable. So if you see here, my service is in active and state it is running. Let me check netstat -ntlp. So it should open 8080 port with this Jenkins server. So it is saying that listening on 43719 PID and it is in Java program name. So let me go to IP space here. So copy this IP address and go to your VMware. Log into your Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So close this and go to Mozilla Firefox and hit the IP address with the port 8080. So you will get your password and you can log into your web page for the Jenkins. And also I suggest you whenever you are starting your Jenkins service, if you face any similar type of failure of starting the service, so try this. Try to hit and check the jenkins.var if there is any file with the jenkins.var. So if you see here /usr/share/java jenkins.var, the one file is there. So if you have any like misconfiguration has been done on the service is not going to stop or start, so you can go with this file and change the permissions of this jenkins.var. So you need to start before starting the Jenkins service, and again you need to start the service, so automatically it will start the Jenkins service. So that is where you can troubleshoot that way. And copy the IP address 192.168 and hit colon 8080. So you would get a Jenkins web page. So let's wait for. So if you see here, sign in Jenkins web page is going to establish. So you need to give administrator password. Go to this directory in your system, cd/cat password. So this is my password for the Jenkins web server, and I need to copy paste here. So you can go with the two options. I will go with install suggested plugins. If you want to customize your Jenkins plugins, you can select whatever you want. So I'll go with install suggested plugins here. So it will create this all types of continuous integration tools. So it is getting started. So it is installing the folders, all related customized plugins. So it depends upon the Java Beans package activation framework. So you can see here Jenkins 2.3.2.380. This is my latest Jenkins package. So let's wait for post this installation. We'll log into the sign in page, the home page in Jenkins. So if you see here guys, the installation has been done and the plugins has been going to install and the dependency packages are already installed. So only the one step is pending, the email extension. So this is also has been done. So required dependencies is going to install and the home page should be booted up. So it is asking the create first admin user. So I don't want to create any admin user and the password, the full name, email address. I'll continue as an admin. So this is the website. You copy here. Whenever you want to go to the Jenkins homepage, you need to enter this URL in your browser and save and finish. So it is saying that you have skipped the setup of an admin user. To log in the username admin and the administrator password which you have given this one. So this is my admin password. To whenever you want to go to the website, so you need to give the password and start using Jenkins. So it is saying that Jenkins setup is complete. So this is my dashboard of Jenkins. So let me go to full screen. Okay, so this is my Jenkins dashboard. So you can create builds and manage Jenkins. You can reset the password of the admin user, whatever you want to do. This is the Jenkins homepage. So this is guys that's it guys. So you can do whatever you want in the installation of Jenkins as is a CI/CD tool. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have any queries. Please post in the comment box. Thank you.